Hi YouTube, it's Her Sneeze and I'm back with another video. So I know I have not made a video in like a week, but I am back and I'm trying to be more consistent. I just been a little tired. I did get a little bit of a cold, so I didn't want to film while I was in that state. But I'm all better now and I'm ready to sneeze again. Don't forget, if you want your own personalized video with feet, soles, sneezing, tissue, holding back, me saying certain things that you would like me to say, email me at sneezegirl111@gmail.com. Thank you for all the love and support and all the new subscribers. I'm so happy to see us growing, and I don't have anything else to say except for subscribe, like, comment, and share, and get your own personalized video. With that being said, let's start. Oh my gosh. Sorry, there's not. Oh. Ah. I want you guys to know, like, while I'm like laying down and like I'll start sneezing a lot, I start thinking of you guys. I'll be like, I should film a video for them, because this little moment. Would you guys like want me to record like random times I just start sneezing crazy and like make a compilation of them? If you want me to, then comment down below, because I will. So somebody had a request. I picked one request from out the comments, and somebody said do a sole with the feet and sneeze. So I'm doing this one request, and every video I might pick like a random comment to do the request. So let's go. But so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, personalized videos start at $20, and every request that you would like adds $10 more, maybe $5 if I'm feeling generous that day. But yes, guys, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.